Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your SeaWorld Annual Pass. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is review your pass agreement. So if you're on a monthly payment plan, most SeaWorld parks require you to complete the minimum 12-month commitment before cancelling. If you already completed 12 months, you can usually cancel anytime after that. So paid in full annual passes typically cannot be refunded, but they just expire at the end of the term. Now we need to prepare your information, so you'll need your pass member name, your account barcode number on your pass, and contact information. So this is your email, phone number, and address. Now there's a few different ways how we can cancel. We can cancel online by visiting SeaWorld.com and now logging into your account as you normally would. And then once you're inside your account, we want to go ahead and look for an option that says manage pass or cancel pass option. And then if available, follow the steps to request the cancellation. Now, if you can't cancel online, that's okay. So we can go ahead and email or call them as well. So just out there, contact us field, so we can fill out this form. So we can put in your first name, last name, and then your message, say you'd like to cancel your annual pass. And if we keep scrolling down here, we can send them old school mail to say you'd like to cancel, or there's a phone number here for tickets, programs, etc. Call this number here. Now, once you've cancelled, keep your proof of cancellation. So you always ask for a confirmation email reference number and keep records in case charges continue after cancellation.